A nest!
With eggs!
Is he going to?
Nope. Maybe the eggs were too big for him?
Better stay on Uncle Tony's tail. Maybe these eggs are more his size.
This time I think he's going to eat one.
Guess not. Aha! That burrow looks just like the one Tony shares with the seabird.
And look! Eggs!
Not too big, not too small. This is it. He's definitely going to eat one of those eggs.
Stop!
Hands off that!
Worm?
So, you're not eating the eggs?
Of course not. I told you, I only eat teeny little worms. Worms around nests are always the best. Nice and squishy. You want one?
That's
No,
okay.
thanks.
More for me.
So that's what he was looking for all along. Worms.
Sam, you still got one of those prickly pear needles on your jacket.
Wait, you saw us following you?
Sure, my teeth may be old, but I still smell stuff real good. And my eyes see as good as ever, especially my night vision.
Tuataras can see in the dark. You didn't mention that.
Yeah, I forgot about that one. There are a lot of things to know about Tuataras.
You better believe it.
So if Uncle Tony didn't eat the seabird's egg, who did?
Huh? What's going on?
Where have you two been? While you were wasting time, another egg disappeared.
What happened?
Now someone took one of my eggs. Do you think it was Uncle Tony?
No, it couldn't have been him. We were watching him the whole night.
Kit, check it out. It looks like the Egg Bandit entered the burrow by gnawing through the door.
No way Tony's teeth could make these marks. But they do match the marks on the piece of shell we saw before. These look like the teeth marks of a small rodent, like a rat.
Or a mouse. Hold it right there! What's in that bag?
Uh-oh, gotta go. My egg!
Of course! Mice love to raid seabird nests and eat the eggs.
This egg is too much trouble. From now on, I'm switching to egg rolls. See ya!
The egg!
Huh?
Where'd it go?
It's too dark. I can't see it.
But I can.
Oh no!
He's stuck!
Oh, no, I'm not.
You got the egg!
But you lost your tail.
Ah, no biggie. Happens all the time. Good job, Uncle Tony.
So if a Tuatara loses their tail, they can just grow it back.
Yep.
Wow. There are a lot of things to know about Tuataras.
Uncle Tony, we're really sorry we didn't trust you. We hope you stay in this town forever.
Thanks, everybody.
I knew I could trust you, Uncle Tony. Here's a few worms from my nest. Just the kind you like.
Nice and squishy.
Another creature case closed.